So I'm going to do a real quick video here as a comparison of Glowe Industries V6.1 versus the newly installed and released Next Level Glow from Next Level Neo. So the side you're looking at now is Glowe Industries V6.1, and as I move over here to the passenger side is Next Level Glow. This is their best tier. There's a better and a best tier, and this is the tippy top. So if you look at it, you can see a pretty clear comparison, or I hope you can see it in the video. The projection is further down here on the passenger side versus the right side, which is Glowe Industries, and you can kind of physically see the color difference between the two of them. But again, I just wanted to make this pretty short and sweet and straightforward. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put you guys on pause real quick. I'm going to change it over to a different pattern and let you see it there and let you guys make a decision. And we're back, and we'll use a good old rainbow just because everybody likes the rainbow colors on the cars and the underglow, and especially with addressable. Glowe Industries 6.1. And as we move back over here, Next Level Glow and their best tier.